So how easy is it to place an order using My 10 Dishes? It's actually pretty simple. You pull up a bookmark, like we do right there. It's not an app, just a bookmark. And the menu comes up. Then we simply click on the dishes that we like from our 10 dishes that we can select here. So let's say we select these three. We go forward. And then we're gonna pay with credit card. We're gonna pick it up today ASAP, so we just push forward. It's all right. I want to get 2 shrimp cocktails instead of 1, so we'll change it to 2. And we can remove any items here, and we're gonna, as you can see right here, it says crispy under double cod there, and I can add additional shrimp cocktail with sauce, please. And so we'll make sure that we always order it with sauce. As you can see, I already have crispy under double cod, so the comments people put in for each dish, and of course it's personalized to each person, are kept from order to order. And then we put in any kind of special comments. I'll be there in 15 minutes, or whatever you want to put in as a comment, or nothing at all. And then we click forward. We're going to leave a 15% tip, and now it shows us all the dishes we're ordering with the instructions we put in. As you can see, we got all the totals and taxes and everything else calculated, comments, everything. It knows what credit card we're using, which can be easily changed. The confirmation will be sent to the email address shown, and it'll be ready for pickup on Monday ASAP, which is exactly what I wanted. So I click approve. It processes the order, takes a few seconds, and then once credit card is successfully processed, the order comes up with a little thank you message. That's how simple it is to place an order, and then you can see the new text came in indicating that there is a new order out there. And because it's interfaced with the customer loyalty program, that's where the second part comes in, where it says thank you for being a valued member, and people actually get credits automatically using this. As long as they keep ordering, they automatically get credits, and then when the time comes, they get rewards as well.